much for joining me today for another video. So today I wanted to unbox and review a set that I got from Tarte. This is a Tarte set that I bought from the Sephora website for $59, and basically it's like a palette and it has some lip products and eye products. Just to be specific, this is what it includes. It's called the Pineapple of My Eye set, and it has the 24 Amazonian clay eyeshadows, 2 Amazonian clay blushes, Amazonian clay highlighter, Amazonian clay bronzer, deluxe lights, camera lashes 4-in-1 mascara, deluxe sex kitten liquid liner, and deluxe lip quench lip rescue. Oh my goodness, that is such a mouthful. If you watched my 50 facts about me video, I'm pretty sure I mentioned in there somewhere that I really love pineapples. It's like my favorite fruit. When I saw this, I knew I had to try it out. It's just way too cute not to try. Tarte is pretty solid in my opinion with their products. So yeah, I'm just super excited to go ahead and dive right into this set, and let's find out for ourselves if this set is good or not. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. I'm so excited. And it just comes with some pink wrapping paper with pineapple prints all over it. Very cute. This has all the little miniature products that the set came with. So it comes with the mascara, here's the eyeliner, and here is the lip product. What is it? Is it a lipstick? Deluxe Lip Quench Lip Rescue. So it's like a lip balm, I'm guessing. Oh yeah, it looks a little more sheer, maybe more glossy. I'll swatch it on my hand. Oh yeah, super sheer. It's so cute. It's gold with like these pineapple prints on it. Super duper cute. And I've used this mascara before. It's not my favorite, but I feel like it does well in like separating your lashes. It wasn't something that when I first used it was like a wow factor. Maybe I have to use it again and just like rediscover. And then also this Sex Kitten liner. I already have my mascara and eyeliner for today because I just came back from work and I just wanted to hurry up and dive into this set because I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. I'm not gonna be I'm not gonna be using this eyeliner today, but I might use it in future videos and let you guys know what it's like. It looks like a felt tip though, so I don't know, it makes beautiful lines in the first stroke, but I'm not a huge fan of felt tip. I'm just like a brush tip kind of gal. But this is super cute. It has a little cat at the tip of the cap, so it's super cute. That's a cute little detail. Alright, so let's just get into this super exciting part. It's the actual palette itself. Like, look at that. That is really amazing. I really like the packaging. Of course, my fingerprint's gonna be showing all over, which is kind of my pet peeve. So I'm gonna just open it up. Ta-da! Ooh, that is super pretty. Wow. I really like these shadows. There's actually a good number of like really pretty jewel tone shimmery shadows I think I would really enjoy. And I like that there's this quad of, you know, face products. Like there's that highlighter, blush, and the bronzer, and a little mirror even for you to kind of check out your makeup, like if you want to take this on the go. I don't think it would be that practical for me to take this like traveling with me because I feel like it would break. I feel like this could shatter. I mean, it's plastic, but still. Okay, well, since I'm here to just demo out this palette, why don't I just go ahead and, oh my god. Okay, you guys, I'm like having a major nerd out moment, but look at this. This flap actually is attached, and there's even a perforation at the edge here, so you could rip this off if you wanted to, but I want to keep it. Like, it keeps the shadows and the face products well separated, so I really like that. This is a detail that I really love. It's super simple, but I really appreciate that. Okay, so why don't I try to create a look with this eyeshadow palette? I think for today I'm gonna create a purple look because I haven't really played with a purple look in a while. In like the chillier times, I don't know why, I kind of crave that purple eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. Actually, I don't know if the shade names are, oh, The shade names are on the back and a little map here. Okay, there's a good chance that I'm reading these shadows wrong because when there's like a map here, I don't know if it's labeled with you facing the palette or, you know, from the back of the palette. So I'm just gonna take my chance at this. I'm taking this creamy matte peachy shade. It's called Totally Beachin', I think. So I'm gonna take that on a fluffy brush and just apply it all over my lids just to kind of create that wash of color. Next, I'm gonna take this light purple shade right here. It's called BYOB and it's a more muted purple shade. So I'm taking that on a fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply it to my crease area to bring out this purpley lovely hue for the base of my look. Alright, next I'm going to take this deeper purple shade. It's called Lay, and I'm taking that on a flatter packing brush and I'm gonna pack it on my lid just above where I put that transition shade. Now going back with that shade that I used as my transition, I'm gonna blend out the harsh edges that the Lay color may have created. Now I'm craving for some shimmers. I'm gonna take this shade right here called Jet Ski. It's a beautiful, like, purpley, winey, shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put that right on my lid with my finger. Oh my gosh, you guys, the shimmers are like no joke. Do you see this? That's like some insane shimmer. Oh my gosh. I love it. Now I'm just looking at my eye look and I feel like a lot of the purple, like the true purple color is a little bit dissipated because I added such a strong shimmery color that's more wine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this deeper purple shade right here. It's called Short Shorts and I'm gonna take that on a denser, more domed brush and add it to the outer corner. Right now I'm gonna add a little bit of this Lay color over here, right here on a flatter packing brush, and I'm gonna add it to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out using that shade BYOB again on a flatter, fluffier brush. I'm gonna blend out this shade. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners now using this super beautiful sparkly champagne-y shade right here. It is called Cool Service, so I'll be using that shade. Just highlight right here. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Okay, now it's time to try out some of these face products. There's 2 blushes, a highlight, and a bronzer. So I'll go ahead and bronze my face first. Look at that product right here. Dust off the excess. I think this is a really pretty shade. So far, I am really liking this bronzer. I feel like it did a really nice job of just bronzing up my face. I'm gonna now use this blush right here. I'm kind of hoping that it's not gonna look ashy or chalky on me, but here I go. It's more of like the muted blush color. Oh, it actually looks pretty, I think. Yeah. Not bad at all. Okay, now it's time for highlight, and I'm gonna use the highlight shade that comes in this palette right at the top here. Oh, this is super glittery looking, so I'm a little scared. But here I go. Oh yeah, that's glittery, you guys. Alright friends, so I just put on some lashes and I have pretty much put all the products well, not all the products, but like the face products as well as the eyeshadows on my face, and I have some final thoughts I want to share with you guys. So let's get going there. So this is the look that I came out with. As I told you in the beginning, I really wanted something that's more purpley, that kind of speaks to me as more of a winterish kind of look. So I'm pretty happy with the look that I came out with today. It's been a while since I have worn purple eyeshadow looks, and I must say there's a reason why I really love them. I feel like purple eyeshadow looks really good with brown eyes. Of course, it looks good on any eye color. For me, I find that it's one of the more flattering shades for my eye shade. So I really like it. The shimmery colors are crazy pigmented. I mean, obviously I didn't swatch like all of them, but just this one that I put on my lid is like insane how pigmented it is. This is after I took my finger, dipped in the pan, and applied it on the lid, and then I didn't want it on my finger anymore, so I just kind of wiped it off on the back of my hand, and this is what it came out with. So that's pretty impressive. Tarte shadows are pretty solid, as I mentioned in the beginning, so I'm not at all surprised by that. These shimmery shades look really gorgeous. One thing I'll say though is that with the matte shades, Tarte shadows tend to be a little more difficult for me to blend than, like, let's say Too Faced shadows. So that's one thing to keep in mind. It feels a little more powdery, a little more, I don't want to say chalky, but it's a little less fine than other matte shadows that I've tried. So you might find a little bit more of a difficulty blending these matte shadows than other brands that you may have tried. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But I think if you were to just take the time and give it the chance and just really work with it, you can come out with more well blended looks. So I'm not knocking on that at all. I'm just saying that it is a little more difficult to blend than like shadows that are notorious for being incredibly easy to blend. With regards to the shade selection, I feel like they did a good job. These are all shades that I would really love to wear. If you're not into super duper crazy colors but into some color, I feel like this is a really good selection. Like, I am really loving this color selection. And now I want to just quickly talk about the face products here. I must say, for the face products, really impressed by the bronzer. I really like how it blended just seamlessly onto my face. This blush was really nice. I was a little scared that it might come out a little more ashy because I did get more of a tan since moving to California. So I was wondering that it was gonna look a little ashy and a little chalky on my face, but it ended up looking quite nice. So I'm really happy about that. The one thing that I did not like about this palette is the highlight. I'm not sure why they decided to make it quite so glittery, but if you're the kind of girl that likes really fine milled, like barely detectable shimmer on your cheekbones or wherever you highlight, and you don't want to see chunks of glitter, then you're not gonna like this highlight. Personally, I don't really like seeing the glitter because it's just not as natural for me. For like everyday kind of makeup or just creating makeup looks in general, this is just not the kind of highlight that I would go for. I really like more fine milled, beautiful, like shimmery yet like more glowy kind of highlights. So this just really wasn't my favorite. I can see this being a really gorgeous eyeshadow though, so I could totally use it as an eyeshadow. And I did not try this blush, but I can swatch it right now, and it looks like it has some pretty good pigment right there. It looks really pretty, has a more corally tint to it, almost like the NARS Orgasm blush. It has specks of gold glitter in there. It's not quite as intense as the highlight and the glitter, but it does have shimmer in there for sure. So all in all, I must say I really enjoyed using this and just kind of discovering this palette with you guys. I must say the star of this palette is definitely the eyeshadow palettes and the shades that they decided to place in this palette. I am really in love with all the shades that they picked, and they're all shades I would wear, so that's a huge win for me. And besides that, the biggest thing of all for this palette is just the packaging, you guys. Like 100% I got sucked in because of the packaging. Pineapples are my favorite. They're like my spirit fruit. If you have like spirit animals, pineapples are my spirit fruit. And there's like a saying, be like a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. How awesome is that? Like, that is totally my motto. I'm so excited that I have a palette in the shape of my favorite fruit. Even more of an amazing reason to have this is that it has pretty great shades and really good quality shadows in there. All in all, I must say I'm pretty happy with this palette. I totally think it was worth my money because I'm just really that obsessed with pineapples. Anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just wanted to kind of try something new, you know, and explore something with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed just kind of creating this look with me. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys as always for being such amazing beauty fam members. I love you guys so much. And before I go, I do want to impart some truth on you guys, as I like to do in every video. You guys are beautiful, amazing, beloved, precious, treasured, and so incredible, and you guys should never ever doubt that. Always remember that you are precious, and please, as usual today, remember to be kind to yourselves today, because as we all know, it's not easy to be kind to ourselves. I have to remember that for sure. So with all that said, thank you guys again so much for joining me today in another video, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Bye! Mwah!